Hello, financial fans. Before we look at some stocks that I will analyze and see if we should consider buying them or maybe selling them, I will tell you that I did increase my holdings this past week as far as one stock is concerned. I bought some more of Amazon, AMZN, so I'm looking forward to Amazon having a good year or two or three ahead of us. And as far as the stocks to consider, we're going to start with something big. BIG, Big Lots. And Big Lots is a retail outlet that has a lot of stores across the country. And currently the price per share $51.62. And I will tell you in advance before I give the details on this stock and the other three stocks that I'm going to be looking at as stocks to consider, I think I might very well buy a few shares of each of these four stocks, especially the last one that I will tell you about has some crazy numbers. And beginning with Big Lots, BIG is the symbol, $51.62 a share. And we look down 52-week range, 2/3 of the way down the left-hand column, $42 and a nickel to $73.23, so it has some headroom, and it is probably closer to the low for the past 52 weeks than it is to the high. We go down to the volume, and this is one of those rare stocks that I will consider buying that has less than 1 million shares trading on the average day. We look down at the bottom of that first column on the left, and we see that the experts consider this one to be undervalued, and we'll see why here in a minute. In the middle column, third item down, PE ratio 2.93, less than 3, which is certainly less than 10, which makes me quite happy. Earnings per share $17.62, and for the forward dividend and yield, they only need $1.20 of that $17.62 to come up with 2.21% as their dividend yield, which is not gigantic, but better than what a bank would pay on interest. 1-year target $64.13, so that would be a nice increase in value if that happens, and it's very possible looking at some of the other numbers there, especially the 52-week range. Next we look at SMFG, Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group Incorporated. $6.94, slightly under $7 per share. Average volume a little over 1,300,000, and it is considered to be undervalued. 52-week range $5.40 to $7.95, so it also has a little bit of headroom. We look at the PE ratio 6.5, which is also less than 10, and also something that makes me interested in perhaps owning a few shares of this. The forward dividend and yield 5%, over 5%, 5.13%, and the earnings per share were $1.07, and it only needs 35 cents of that to get that 5% yield. And the 1-year target at the bottom of the middle column, not applicable for some reason, not sure what that is, but if you do any investing, remember I'm not a financial advisor, so do a lot of research on any stock before you put your money into it. Next stock we'll look at Telefonica SA. TEF is the symbol, and $5 and a nickel is the price per share. The 52-week range, 2/3 of the way down the column on the left, 52-week range $3.22 to $5.17, so it is close to its high. Average volume 1.6 million shares trade every day. This one is considered to be overvalued by the experts. The PE ratio, third item down, middle column, 2.29. That is low, which is good. The forward dividend and yield over 9% yield, and the 1-year target $6.30, so that would be a nice move upward if that does happen. Now let's look at that last stock that has some crazy numbers. Something very weird going on here, and I've checked it as far as I can check it, but I will be buying some of this, but I'm not going to recommend it to anyone else. Just do your own checking. Mobile Telesystems Public Joint Stock Company, MBT, is the symbol, $9 and a penny. And that's price per share. And 2/3 of the way down the left-hand column, 52-week range, $7.72 to $9.70. So it's in a comfortable position there. Average volume, a little over 2 million shares trade every day. And looking at the bottom, we see near fair value. Now we look in the middle column, third item down, PE ratio 8.82, which is very good. It's under 10. Now we slide down a little further. We look at forward dividend and yield, 10%. Oh, that'd be nice to hold on to that stock forever and just get the 10%. But let's look down there, 1-year target. What in the world is going on? This is a $9 stock. The 1-year target estimate, $804.31. I have no idea what that is. That's Yahoo Finance, and Yahoo Finance is a great place to get information about stocks. So I will leave you with that thought, and happy investing for all of you who do investing, and I hope you enjoyed this and find it curiouser and curiouser. And I thank you very much for watching.